Access to clean and safe drinking water is a fundamental human right, but in Africa, this right is often not fully realized. According to the World Health Organization, over 300 million people in sub-Saharan Africa do not have access to clean water sources. The problem is especially acute in rural areas, where the lack of infrastructure and investment makes it difficult to provide safe drinking water. The clean water crisis in Africa is caused by a number of factors, including population growth, climate change, and poor governance. One of the primary causes of the clean water crisis in Africa is population growth. As the population of Africa continues to increase, the demand for water is also rising. However, many communities lack the infrastructure necessary to provide clean and safe water for their populations. In addition, the increase in population has put a strain on existing water resources, leading to overuse and depletion of aquifers and rivers. Climate change is another factor that is exacerbating the clean water crisis in Africa. Changing weather patterns, such as increased droughts and floods, are causing water scarcity in many regions. In some areas, droughts have become more frequent and severe, making it difficult for communities to access water for drinking and agriculture. Conversely, in areas prone to flooding, water sources can become contaminated with bacteria and other harmful pathogens, increasing the risk of waterborne illnesses. Poor governance is also a contributing factor to the clean water crisis in Africa. In many cases, government officials have failed to prioritize investments in water infrastructure, leaving communities without access to clean water. Corruption and mismanagement have also hindered progress in providing safe drinking water, as funds allocated for water projects are often misused or diverted. Lack of enforcement of regulations and weak accountability mechanisms have also resulted in pollution of water sources, making it even more difficult to provide clean water. The lack of clean water has serious consequences for human health in Africa. In many areas, people are forced to rely on unsafe water sources, such as contaminated wells or rivers, which increases the risk of waterborne illnesses such as cholera, dysentery, and typhoid fever. Children are particularly vulnerable to these illnesses, and without access to clean water, they are at risk of malnutrition and stunted growth. Women and girls are also disproportionately affected by the lack of clean water, as they are often responsible for collecting water for their families. In some cases, this can mean walking long distances to access water, which takes time away from education and other activities. To address the clean water crisis in Africa, a multifaceted approach is needed. Governments and international organizations must prioritize investments in water infrastructure, including drilling wells, building water treatment plants, and improving water distribution systems. This will require significant funding, but the benefits of providing access to clean water are numerous, including improved health outcomes, increased economic opportunities, and greater gender equality. In addition, efforts to address climate change, including promoting sustainable agriculture and reducing greenhouse gas emissions, can help mitigate the impact of changing weather patterns on water resources. Finally, greater transparency and accountability in governance are critical to addressing the clean water crisis in Africa. Governments must prioritize investments in water infrastructure and ensure that funds allocated for these projects are used effectively and transparently. In addition, strong regulations and enforcement mechanisms must be put in place to prevent pollution of water sources and ensure that communities have access to clean water. Fresh Hope Ministries International believes in community participation and engagement right from the initial stages of the well drilling project. The whole village comes together to clear a designated space for the well, setting the stage for a collaborative effort to improve their water situation. This inclusive approach fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility among the community members, ensuring the sustainability of the project in the long run. Fresh Hope Ministries International employs a simple yet effective manual drilling process. The equipment consists of a combination bit and bucket, along with extendable 1-inch tubing and a T-bar for support. As the drilling progresses, 3-foot extensions are added to reach greater depths. The easy-to-assemble sections are held together by removable pins, allowing for flexibility and adaptability during the drilling process. The current kit has a total depth capability of approximately 45 feet, providing access to underground water sources. Water plays a crucial role in African life, serving various purposes and impacting different aspects of daily life. Access to clean water is essential for human survival. In Africa, water is vital for drinking, cooking, and maintaining personal hygiene. Reliable access to safe drinking water helps prevent waterborne diseases and promotes general well-being. One remarkable aspect of Fresh Hope Ministries International's approach is the involvement of the entire community, including children. Gathering small stones, roughly the size of a pea, becomes a collective effort, engaging the younger generation in a meaningful way. To ensure the longevity and effectiveness of the well, Fresh Hope Ministries International employs PVC pipe for casing. Slots are cut at 1-inch intervals at the bottom of the pipe, allowing water to filter from the surrounding sand into the core of the pipe. This innovative design enables efficient water collection while preventing the ingress of sand and other debris. The careful construction and placement of the casing form the foundation for a reliable and sustainable water source. Agriculture is a significant sector in Africa, and water is fundamental for crop irrigation, livestock watering, and fish farming. Adequate water supply and irrigation systems are essential for agricultural productivity, food security, and livelihoods. Many communities in Africa rely on pastoralism, where livestock rearing is a primary source of livelihood. Water is essential for the well-being and survival of livestock, and access to watering points determines the movement and distribution of pastoral communities. The ingenious design of a long, thin bucket equipped with an anchor point and a special valve enables the community to draw water from the well. Women, traditionally responsible for fetching water, are trained on using this new mechanism. The bucket descends into the well, opening the valve to allow water to flow in. When the bucket is raised, the valve closes, securing the collected water. This simple yet effective system empowers the community, especially women, by providing a practical solution to their water needs. Digging a well by hand is a challenging and time-consuming task that has been performed by humans for centuries. While modern technology has made it easier to drill wells mechanically, there are still many places in the world where wells must be dug by hand. In these situations, it is important to find ways to dig wells quickly and efficiently. One example of the fastest well digging by hand was achieved by a team of 19 people in Gujarat, India in 2019. The team was able to dig a well that was 60 feet deep and 1.5 meters in diameter in just 8 hours. This remarkable feat was accomplished using traditional tools and techniques that have been passed down through generations of Indian well diggers. The team used a combination of digging tools, including picks, shovels, and crowbars, to excavate the soil and create the well shaft. They also used a traditional wooden pulley system to haul soil and debris out of the well. This system consisted of a wooden frame that was built over the well shaft, with a rope and bucket attached to a wooden pulley at the top of the frame. As the bucket was filled with soil, it was hoisted to the surface and emptied, allowing the team to continue digging without interruption. In addition to using traditional tools and techniques, the team also employed some modern innovations to speed up the digging process. For example, they used a small motorized pump to remove excess water from the well as they dug deeper. This allowed them to work more quickly and avoid getting bogged down in muddy soil. Well digging by hand is a traditional method of water supply that has been used for centuries in various parts of the world. The process involves manually digging a hole in the ground until the water table is reached. In some areas, especially in rural and remote locations, digging a well by hand is still a common practice. In the past, well, digging was a slow and labor-intensive process that could take weeks or even months to complete. However, with advances in technology and modern equipment, the process has become much faster and efficient. In this article, we will discuss the fastest way to dig a well by hand. Before we delve into the details of the fastest way to dig a well by hand, it is essential to understand the benefits of this method of water supply. Firstly, digging a well by hand is a sustainable way of accessing clean and fresh water. It does not require any electricity or fuel, making it a cost-effective option for people living in remote and rural areas. Secondly, digging a well by hand helps to conserve the environment by reducing the need for water transportation, which often requires the use of fossil fuels. Thirdly, well water is often of better quality than surface water, as it is naturally filtered through the soil. The first step in digging a well by hand is to select the location. The ideal location should be close to the area where water is needed, and the soil should be suitable for digging. The area should also be free from any potential sources of contamination, such as septic tanks, livestock pens, and chemical storage areas. A good spot to dig a well is usually near natural features like trees, low areas, and wet spots. Once you have identified the location, Mark the spot using stakes or spray paint. The size of the well will depend on your needs, but it should be at least 4 feet in diameter to accommodate a person and their tools. The next step is to start digging the well. To do this, you will need a shovel, a pickaxe, and a bucket. The process involves removing soil from the ground until the water table is reached. The water table is the level at which the soil is saturated with water. Begin by digging a small hole at the center of the marked spot. The hole should be at least 2 feet deep. From there, dig a wider circle around the hole, removing the soil with the shovel and placing it in the bucket. Use the pickaxe to loosen any hard soil and rock. As you dig deeper, you will need to use a ladder to get in and out of the well. It is crucial to work carefully and systematically, removing the soil in layers to prevent cave-ins. Once you have reached the water table, it is time to line the well. The lining is necessary to prevent the walls from collapsing and to keep the well water clean. The lining can be made from various materials, such as concrete rings, bricks, or stone. Alternatively, you can use a precast concrete lining that is specifically designed for well construction. After the well has been lined, it is time to install the pump. The pump is necessary to bring the water to the surface. There are many different types of pumps available, including hand pumps, electric pumps, and solar pumps. Choose the pump that best suits your needs and budget. The team also had a well-coordinated plan in place, with different members of the team assigned to specific tasks. Some team members were responsible for digging, while others worked to remove soil and debris from the well. Still others helped to maintain the pulley system and keep the digging tools in good working order. Overall, the team's success in digging the well in just 8 hours was a testament to their hard work, skill, and teamwork. While this level of speed and efficiency may not be possible in every well digging situation, it shows what is possible when people work together using the right tools and tech. The fastest well digging by hand requires a combination of traditional techniques and modern innovations, as well as careful planning and coordination among team members. While it is a challenging and labor-intensive task, it is one that is essential for providing clean water to communities around the world. Construction of a cistern for storing rainwater is an essential project, particularly in regions with limited water resources, such as the Brazilian semi-arid region. To begin the construction of a rainwater cistern, it is crucial to gather the necessary tools. These tools include a hoe, shovel, pickaxe, buckets, spoon, mason line, saw, and bow. These tools will aid in the excavation and assembly of the cistern structure. The first step in the construction process is to assemble the plates for the cistern walls. The plates should have a height of 60 centimeters and a width of 50 centimeters. There are 3 different methods for assembling the panels. The first involves using an iron or wooden divider to form the wall. The second involves using a letter-like shape, with crisscross panels to form the wall, and the third method uses wooden dividers to assemble the panels. Next, the construction of the cistern's base and cover plates is necessary. The base is built based on the roof size of each house to determine the volume of water that needs to be stored. The base is typically a central contour, surrounded by an external square, with measurements to accommodate around 35,000 liters of water. The cistern should be constructed at a safe distance from cesspools, night pigsties, and the home itself to prevent any problems with water filtration. Additionally, the cistern should be covered to prevent contamination from dust, leaves, or animals falling into the water. Before commencing construction, the ground needs to be prepared. It should be leveled and cleared of any vegetation to ensure stability and prevent damage to the cistern. The excavation process involves digging a central hole and a meter-wide surrounding area, removing the soil until reaching a solid base. It is important to avoid impurities and animal feces in the soil to maintain water purity and prevent any issues with the cistern's structural integrity. Once the ground has been prepared, the construction of the cistern walls can begin. A mixture of sand, cement, and gravel is used to assemble the plates. The mixture should not be too thick, but it should contain all the necessary components for a strong structure. Each plate is carefully placed and secured to form a tight and secure wall. It is important to follow the proper assembly techniques to ensure the cistern's durability. After the walls are constructed, a water inlet is installed in the box's swimming area using a PVC pipe. The pipe is cut and attached to the board, allowing water to enter the cistern. Proper measurements and positioning are crucial to ensure effective water flow and prevent any leaks or blockages. Construct and place a sturdy lid on top of the cistern. The lid should be designed to protect the stored water from contaminants such as dust, leaves, or animals. It should fit securely to maintain the quality and cleanliness of the water. Once the construction is complete, the cistern undergoes a drying process, which usually takes around 14 to 23 days. During this time, the cistern is monitored and inspected for any necessary adjustments or repairs. After the drying period, a final layer of mass is applied to provide a smooth finish. The cistern is then ready for use. The construction of cisterns for rainwater harvesting has revolutionized the lives of individuals residing in water-scarce regions. By providing a sustainable and dependable water source, these cisterns have alleviated the burdens of water scarcity and reduced the need to depend solely on sporadic rainfall or trek long distances to obtain water. Families now have access to clean water for drinking, cooking, and irrigation purposes, enhancing their overall quality of life. Moreover, the presence of cisterns has empowered these communities to become more self-sufficient and resilient in the face of water scarcity, fostering sustainable development and improved livelihoods.
The 1,100-liter water tank in Huancayo, Peru, stands as a crucial infrastructure asset, addressing the persistent water supply challenges faced by the community. Constructed with meticulous attention to detail and engineering techniques, represents a fusion of traditional methods and modern engineering principles, showcasing the resourcefulness and ingenuity of the people of Huancayo. Central to the construction process was the utilization of a 3.70-meter radius template. This template played a pivotal role in ensuring the tank's structural integrity and uniformity. By adhering to this specific radius, the construction team achieved consistency in the tank's dimensions, preventing any irregularities that could compromise its functionality. The template served as a guiding framework, enabling the builders to maintain precision throughout the construction process. One of the remarkable aspects of the construction was the emphasis on plumbness at each course of brick. Recognizing the significance of vertical alignment, the builders plumbed each layer of bricks at 3 distinct points. This meticulous approach ensured that the tank's walls remained perfectly perpendicular, enhancing its stability and durability. This attention to plumbness also facilitated the uniform distribution of weight, thereby preventing any undue stress on specific sections of the structure. The incorporation of the circle with rope bricklaying technique further underscores the innovative methods used in constructing the water tank. This technique, a blend of traditional wisdom and practicality, involved using a rope to outline the circular shape of each layer of bricks. By following the rope as a guide, the builders maintained the circular form with remarkable precision. This method not only simplified the construction process, but also reduced the margin of error, resulting in a seamless and harmonious design. The 1,100-liter water tank's significance extends beyond its functional role as a water storage unit. It symbolizes the community's collective efforts to address a critical issue: the accessibility and availability of clean water. In a region where water scarcity has been a persistent challenge, stands as a testament to the community's resilience and determination to overcome adversities. It represents a sustainable solution that will contribute to improved hygiene, sanitation, and overall well-being for the residents of Huancayo. The placement of the 1,100-liter water tank in Huancayo, Peru, within the ground was a strategic process that ensured both functionality and structural stability. The tank was carefully positioned in a designated area, taking into account factors such as soil composition, water table levels, and accessibility. By embedding the tank securely into the ground, the builders enhanced its resistance to external forces while also maintaining an optimal height for efficient water distribution. Furthermore, the installation of water pipes and electrical components for the electro-level system was an integral part of the tank's functionality. Water pipes were expertly integrated to facilitate the inflow and outflow of water, ensuring a steady and controlled supply. The addition of an electro-level system allowed for precise monitoring of water levels within the tank, aiding in efficient management and utilization of the available water resources. This integration of technology improved the overall reliability and ease of operation, contributing to the tank's effectiveness in addressing the community's water needs. Moreover, the construction of this water tank showcases the fusion of traditional craftsmanship with contemporary engineering principles. It bridges the gap between age-old techniques and modern innovations, demonstrating that sustainable solutions can emerge from the harmonious blending of knowledge and practices across generations. This blending not only empowers the local community, but also serves as an inspiration for others facing similar challenges around the world. Undertaking the task of safely lowering 600 kilograms concrete rings into a pit without the aid of a crane, manipulator, or other specialized equipment is a challenging feat that requires creativity, precision, and careful planning. This innovative approach, outlined in the provided document, showcases an ingenious method to achieve this daunting task. The plan commences with the cutting of wooden beams into sections of approximately 130 centimeters each. This measurement is strategically calculated by accounting for the concrete ring's diameter of 116 centimeters, with an additional 15 centimeters for optimal stability. These beams are then arranged in a cross shape, creating a robust foundation within the pit. By positioning them at a distance of approximately 8 spans apart, they serve as reference points to gauge the alignment of the pit's walls during the process. Situated just outside Moscow, offers context regarding the geographical location and varying costs associated with burying a concrete ring. As the first concrete ring is prepared for immersion, aptly draws a parallel between the process and the launch of a ship into water. 2 beams measuring 50 by 100 centimeters each are employed as guides. The ring is positioned adjacent to one of these beams and carefully lowered into the pit, effectively sliding along the guides. To prevent tilting and ensure stability, 3 additional beams are placed vertically to support the ring. This ingenious arrangement not only facilitates the lowering process, but also contributes to pressing the ring against the pit's walls. While the theoretical framework appeared promising, the transition to practical implementation unveiled challenges. The initial attempt encountered an obstacle when the concrete ring became stuck due to uneven positioning. The inclusion of a pry bar proved instrumental in resolving this issue, demonstrating the resourcefulness and adaptability of the approach. Once the first ring was successfully lowered, the emphasis shifted to guaranteeing its secure placement on the pit floor. Addressing a slight tilt required careful adjustments to achieve a level position. A more meticulous approach to lifting the guide beams is recommended, with the possibility of involving additional personnel for enhanced effectiveness. Additionally, the importance of achieving a vertical lifting angle is highlighted, as it can significantly impact the success of the lowering process. Both rings are successfully lowered into the pit, showcasing the effectiveness of this innovative method. The process of safely lowering substantial concrete rings into a pit without specialized equipment is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. The presented method, involving wooden beams, meticulous planning, and creative problem-solving, showcases an effective alternative in the absence of traditional machinery. This narrative serves as an inspiration to those facing similar challenges, fostering a spirit of exploration, collaboration, and innovation. Lowering concrete rings into a pit without the use of a crane, manipulator, or other specialized equipment requires careful planning, a systematic approach, and a focus on ensuring the safety of the workers involved. While the absence of such equipment might seem like a challenge, creative solutions can be implemented to achieve the task efficiently and safely. Before attempting to lower the concrete rings, a thorough assessment of the pit's dimensions, the weight of the rings, and the available resources is crucial. This information will help determine the feasibility of the task and guide the planning process. While you might not have a crane or manipulator, you can still make use of basic material handling tools. Heavy-duty ropes, chains, pulleys, and come-alongs can be employed effectively. These tools enable controlled lowering of the concrete rings into the pit without putting undue strain on the workers. One effective method involves constructing a sturdy A-frame structure near the pit. This structure acts as a makeshift support system for lowering the concrete rings. The A-frame can be made from wooden or metal beams securely anchored to the ground. A pulley system is then set up at the top of the A-frame, allowing controlled lowering of the rings. Prior to lowering the rings, they need to be properly rigged and secured. This involves attaching strong ropes or chains to the rings using appropriate techniques like clove hitches or bowline knots. The rigging should be tested to ensure it can handle the weight of the rings without slipping or failing. Lowering the concrete rings should be a gradual and controlled process. This is where the pulley system and material handling tools come into play. Workers can use come-alongs or winches to carefully lower the rings while maintaining steady communication to ensure coordination and safety. Effective communication among the team members is essential. Clear signals and cues should be established to indicate when to start lowering, when to stop, and any adjustments required during the process. Proper coordination minimizes the risk of accidents and ensures everyone understands their roles. Regular inspections of the A-frame, ropes, pulleys, and rigging are crucial. Wear and tear can occur over time, especially if the operation involves multiple concrete rings. Any signs of weakening or damage should be addressed promptly to avoid accidents.
The first step is to excavate the area where the house will be built. This involves digging a trench to the required depth and width. The depth will depend on factors such as soil conditions, local building codes, and the planned height of the house. After excavation, footings are constructed to support the weight of the walls and distribute it to the ground. These footings are typically made of concrete and are wider than the walls themselves. Reinforcing steel bars or reed may be used to add strength to the footings. Once the footings are in place, a concrete base is poured within the excavated area. This base provides a solid surface for the walls to be built upon. The concrete is leveled and allowed to cure, ensuring a strong foundation. In some cases, alternative foundation methods may be employed, depending on the specific requirements and site conditions. For example, in areas with unstable soil or high water tables, pilings or deep foundation systems may be necessary to provide additional support and stability. Build a basic frame structure using wooden posts or beams. This will serve as the skeleton for your walls and roof. The gable roof is one of the most common and classic roof designs. It features two sloping sides that meet at a central ridge, forming a triangular shape. This design provides a simple and symmetrical look, allowing for efficient rainwater drainage. The hip roof design is characterized by slopes on all four sides, with each side meeting at a ridge. This design offers a more complex and visually appealing appearance compared to a gable roof. Hip roofs provide excellent stability and resistance to strong winds, making them suitable for areas prone to inclement weather. They also offer good rainwater drainage and can accommodate attic spaces or additional living areas. The shed roof also known as a mono-pitched roof, features a single slope, typically with a steeper pitch. This design provides a modern and minimalist look, making it popular in contemporary weaver homes. VNBN McNH. It's also possible to incorporate a combination of different roof designs to add visual interest and uniqueness to a weaver home. For example, a house may feature a gable roof on the main section and shed roofs on extensions or porches, creating a harmonious blend of styles. Contemporary designs often emphasize natural light and a connection to the outdoors. This may involve larger window openings to maximize the amount of light entering the space and to provide expansive views. Energy-efficient windows are an important consideration for contemporary weaver homes. Options such as double-glazed or low-emissivity low-E glass windows help improve insulation and reduce heat loss. Contemporary weaver homes may feature doors with sleek designs, clean lines, and minimalistic hardware. Glass or metal elements can be incorporated into the door design to create a modern and visually appealing look. Contemporary designs often prioritize sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Consider options such as doors and windows made from recycled materials or those certified for their sustainable manufacturing practices. The first step in the house building process is site preparation. The plot of land, measuring 440 square meters, located in Valia Adanka, is cleared and leveled to provide a suitable foundation for the house. This involves removing any vegetation, debris, and grading the land to ensure proper drainage. After the foundation is completed, Weaver Homes proceeds with the construction of the walls, a crucial element of the house's structure. The walls are carefully constructed using BKS 25 bricks, known for their durability and excellent thermal insulation properties. Before the bricks are laid, a layer of mortar is applied to the foundation to create a strong base. Skilled masons then begin the process of laying the bricks, adhering to precise measurements and following the architectural plans. They use high-quality mortar to ensure a solid bond between the bricks, creating a sturdy and reliable wall structure. To enhance the energy efficiency of the house, Weaver Homes incorporates an additional layer of insulation on the exterior walls. A 10 cm thick polystyrene insulation layer is applied, providing excellent thermal insulation properties. This insulation layer helps to regulate the temperature inside the house, reducing heat loss during colder months and heat gain during warmer months. It contributes to energy savings and improves the overall comfort of the home. The polystyrene insulation layer is carefully installed, ensuring a seamless and continuous coverage over the entire exterior wall surface. The insulation is secured in place using an appropriate adhesive or mechanical fasteners, ensuring its long-term durability and effectiveness. Once the insulation layer is in place, the walls are prepared for the finishing stage. Weaver Homes offers a range of options for wall finishes, including plaster, paint, wallpaper, or decorative cladding. Clients can work closely with the Weaver Homes team to select the finish that aligns with their design preferences and complements the overall aesthetic of the house. During the wall construction process, Weaver Homes pays great attention to detail and quality. The masons meticulously ensure that the bricks are level and plumb, creating a uniform and visually appealing wall surface. They conduct regular inspections and quality control checks to ensure that the construction meets or exceeds industry standards. By using BKS 25 bricks and incorporating a polystyrene insulation layer, Weaver Homes creates walls that offer not only structural strength, but also excellent thermal insulation properties. The combination of high-quality materials and skilled craftsmanship results in walls that provide a solid foundation for the overall construction of the house. The roofing system of the house, constructed by Weaver Homes in Adanka, is designed to be durable, weather-resistant, and customizable to the homeowner's preferences. The roof consists of a concrete slab on the ground floor and a loft area, which offers flexibility for various uses. To ensure a strong and reliable roof structure, Weaver Homes utilizes high-quality materials and follows industry best practices. The roof is constructed using sturdy trusses or beams that provide structural support. These trusses are carefully engineered and installed to withstand the weight of the roof and any potential snow loads or other environmental factors specific to the location. The roofing material chosen for this house is typically a durable and weather-resistant option, such as asphalt shingles or clay tiles, which offer excellent protection against rain, wind, and UV rays. Weaver Homes pays meticulous attention to the installation process of the roofing material, ensuring proper alignment and secure attachment. This helps to prevent water infiltration and maintain the structural integrity of the roof. Flashing is installed around roof penetrations, such as chimneys or skylights, to prevent water leaks and ensure a watertight seal. The loft area in the house provides an additional space that can be customized and utilized according to the homeowner's preferences. Additionally, the roofing system is designed to facilitate proper ventilation. Adequate ventilation helps regulate the temperature inside the house, preventing moisture buildup, reducing the risk of mold and mildew, and extending the lifespan of the roofing materials. The roof of the house built by Weaver Homes in Adanka not only provides protection from the elements, but also adds architectural character and value to the overall design. The windows used in this house are Desunic PVC rustic windows, known for their durability and energy efficiency. These windows feature a 5-chamber design and are equipped with 3 rows of glass. This construction provides superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and reducing energy consumption. The multi-chamber design also contributes to enhanced soundproofing, minimizing external noise intrusion. With the inclusion of ample windows, natural light is allowed to flood the interior spaces, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. The chosen PVC material for the windows offers several benefits, including low maintenance requirements, resistance to warping or rotting, and excellent thermal insulation properties. Danabat Group Rotomax XLB is a cutting-edge horizontal drilling machine designed for geotechnical drilling and soil investigation. This innovative drilling rig is manufactured by Geotechnik, German company that specializes in the design and production of high-quality drilling equipment. The Rotomax XLB is a powerful and versatile drilling machine that is capable of performing a wide range of drilling tasks in various ground conditions. It is particularly well suited for drilling boreholes in difficult terrain, such as rock or hard soil, and for conducting geotechnical investigations in urban areas where space is limited. The machine is built on a robust and durable frame that is designed to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty drilling operations. It is equipped with a powerful 6-cylinder Deutz diesel engine that provides ample power to the hydraulic system and allows for efficient drilling in even the toughest conditions. The engine is also designed to be fuel efficient, which helps to reduce operating costs. One of the most notable features of the Rotomax XLB is its advanced drilling system, which allows for precise and efficient drilling in a wide range of ground conditions. The system includes a hydraulic winch, which is used to lower the drilling tools into the borehole, and a powerful drilling motor that is capable of generating up to 4,000 nanometers of torque. The machine is also equipped with a state-of-the-art control system that allows for precise control of the drilling process, ensuring accurate drilling depths and angles. Another key feature of the Rotomax XLB is its versatility. The machine is capable of drilling boreholes up to 1,000 meters deep and can be equipped with a wide range of drilling tools, including diamond drill bits, augers, and core barrels. This allows the machine to be used for a variety of geotechnical drilling applications, including soil sampling, rock coring, and groundwater monitoring. In addition to its impressive drilling capabilities, the Rotomax XLB is also designed with safety in mind. The machine is equipped with a number of safety features, including a hydraulic safety circuit that prevents the drilling tools from dropping in the event of a hydraulic failure. It also has an emergency stop button that can be activated at any time to quickly shut down the machine in case of an emergency. The Rotomax XLB is also designed for ease of use and maintenance. The machine is equipped with a user-friendly control panel that allows for easy operation of the drilling system, and its hydraulic components are easily accessible for maintenance and repair. The machine is also designed to be transportable, with a compact design that allows it to be easily loaded onto a truck or trailer for transport to job sites. The Danabat Group Rotomax XLB is a highly capable and versatile drilling machine that is designed to meet the needs of geotechnical drilling professionals. Its advanced drilling system, powerful engine, and safety features make it an excellent choice for a wide range of drilling applications, while its ease of use and maintenance make it a reliable and cost-effective investment for drilling companies and contractors. Well drilling and exploration is a crucial step in the process of finding and assessing groundwater sources. Once a potential groundwater location is identified through geological surveys, remote sensing, and hydrogeological surveys, exploration wells are drilled to gather more specific information about the aquifer. The drilling of exploration wells involves the use of specialized equipment and trained professionals. The process typically starts with selecting the drilling site, considering factors such as accessibility, proximity to potential water sources, and geological information. The chosen site is marked, and drilling equipment is set up. Drilling methods can vary depending on the geological conditions and the depth required to reach the groundwater. Common drilling techniques include rotary drilling, percussion drilling, and auger drilling. These methods involve the use of drill bits and drilling rigs capable of penetrating various types of soil, rock, and sediment. The drill rig B50, B15, B75, manufactured by Adler Arbeitsmaschinen, is a versatile and efficient drilling machine used in various construction and mining applications. This drill rig combines power, precision, and durability to tackle drilling projects of different scales and complexities. The drill rig B50, B15, B75 is equipped with a robust and reliable engine that provides ample power to drive the drilling operations. The engine's performance allows the rig to operate in challenging conditions and maintain consistent drilling productivity. With its powerful engine, the drill rig can efficiently penetrate various types of soils, rocks, and other materials encountered during drilling. One of the notable features of the drill rig B50, B15, B75 is its flexibility in drilling depths. The rig offers a range of drilling depths from 50 meters B50 to 75 meters B75, providing versatility to meet the specific requirements of different projects. This adjustable drilling depth feature enables the rig to adapt to various geological formations and project specifications. Adler Arbeitsmaschinen has designed the drill rig B50 B15 B75 with precision and accuracy in mind. The rig is equipped with advanced drilling control systems that ensure precise drilling operations. These systems enable operators to maintain the desired drilling parameters, such as rotation speed, torque, and penetration rate, for optimal drilling performance. The precise control offered by the rig helps minimize drilling errors and enhances overall drilling efficiency. The drill rig B50 B15 B75 incorporates a sturdy and stable drilling mast, which provides support and stability during drilling operations. The mast is designed to withstand the rigors of drilling and maintains its rigidity even in challenging drilling conditions. This stability allows for accurate drilling alignment, reducing the chances of deviation and ensuring straight and consistent boreholes. Another notable feature of the drill rig B50 B15 B75 is its efficient drilling system. The rig utilizes a hydraulic drilling mechanism that optimizes drilling performance. The hydraulic system provides high drilling speed, allowing for faster completion of drilling tasks. It also ensures smooth and controlled drilling operations, reducing vibration and enhancing drilling accuracy. To enhance operator safety and comfort, the drill rig B50 B15 B75 incorporates several safety features and ergonomic design elements. The rig is equipped with a spacious and ergonomic operator cabin that offers excellent visibility and comfort during drilling operations. The cabin is designed to reduce operator fatigue, enabling them to work efficiently for extended periods. Additionally, the drill rig B50 B15 B75 is equipped with safety devices such as emergency stop buttons, safety interlocks, and protective covers to prevent accidents and ensure operator well-being. These safety features comply with industry standards and regulations, promoting a safe working environment. Maintenance and serviceability are essential aspects of any drilling equipment, and the drill rig B50 B15 B75 excels in these areas. Adler Arbeitsmaschinen has designed the rig with easy access to maintenance points, ensuring convenient servicing and minimizing downtime. The rig's components are also built with durability in mind, reducing the need for frequent repairs and replacements. The drill rig B50 B15 B75 from Adler Arbeitsmaschinen is a powerful and versatile drilling machine suitable for various construction and mining applications. With its adjustable drilling depth, precise control systems, stability, efficient hydraulic drilling mechanism, safety features, and ergonomic design, the rig offers exceptional performance and reliability. Whether it's drilling in challenging terrains or meeting specific project requirements, the drill rig B50 B15 B75 is a reliable choice for efficient and accurate drilling operations.